No, nothing can slow this thing down. Dogelon Mars is pumping massively today. This thing is moving quicker than an army of ants trying to infiltrate your bag of brown sugar. Can you believe it? We're still pumping. Anyways, guys, if you're new to this channel, make sure you slap that subscribe button, strap on, because we're about to look at some crazy stuff and some crazy opportunities that I'm about to expose you to. By the way, huge thanks to all the existing and new subscribers. If you are new here, subscribe to this channel to enter my $1,000 giveaway. And yes, it is beanie giveaway. It's really cold here and heating is rather expensive, so I'd rather buy a little budget hat and put it over my head than, you know, succumb to the temptation of spending hundreds on heating. Anyhow, let's crack on, guys. What's going on? I hope you're well. Leave a comment down below. Dogelon is looking really good, up to $257 million market capital now. We can see the price is moving healthily. It's up against Bitcoin and it's also up against Ethereum. Can there still be price continuation? Let's talk about it. So what I recognize is from historical data, around about the 0.0 to the power of 642 price level. I don't know if you can read those numbers. I got a new monitor and everything's looking all a bit different. But in my opinion, this is a good area to sell if we do get a pump up to the 6.3 level. We were talking about this crazy descending triangle just yesterday, and we did break this resistance here. We pumped up to the 0.054 level, and we can see, just like the other pump, I'm going to show you right now, you know, this was a very euphoric phase. This was a euphoric phase too. The only problem is we have less buying power on the RSI, so the price is coming down. RSI is coming down. Are we losing a bit of traction, trade volume? We can certainly see that these two levels, you know, a big bump of resistance, and each return, one being very explosive. This one providing 114%. This one providing a good 43% from the corrective phase. Both areas looks like, you know, there was a high appeal to be selling there. They didn't want to hold on to the tokens, the whales or the investors that got down low below. They ended up, you know, selling at those particular levels. So I'm expecting to see maybe a bounce here if we can hold the line, though I do think it's not that likely that we're going to hold the support level. As we see, we've got some really strange looking charts going on. This is a broadening ascending channel, guys. So I'm showing you right now because I know that this is a broadening ascending channel. I've seen it plenty of times in my trading journey, so there's a good chance we're going to retest the 464 level and maybe lose support. And you know, if we do lose the support, we will lose that 464, come down and retest the what now is the support trend line of the descending triangle right here. So there's a good chance we could either bounce or the opposite happens, and unfortunately we lose support and we come back down to these lower levels at the 385 and then even lower. Alternatively, the bullish scenario is that we get a nice bounce off of this ascending broadening wedge. That's what it's called. You can even Google it. And we get a nice bounce to the next impulse. I do think that's very unlikely that we're going to see there's a weird squiggly line, that we're going to see another bounce up to the 0.0 to the power 6593 level. I just can't see it happening right now, to be honest. We've already had the euphoric pump, and this also looks a little bit like a slanted double top, which is a bearish reversal pattern. I know, I'm a bear, blah. I'm being bearish. I'm only being bearish because it pumped like over 2x in the last few days. So when you see these massive pumps, it's always wise not to chase the green. By the way, guys, if you're new to my channel, please do come and say hi in the Discord. There's over 1,500 people, all lovely, like-minded people who want to prosper and, you know, gain in the crypto market. So come say hi. There's loads of advice, signals. We've got the top pre-sales, as we can see, these 4 right here, which are live, by the way. I will show you a bit more on those later. And in my opinion, Dogelon is doing crazy things, but it's got a long road to recovery. And even if it comes up to the 632 level, there's such a good chance we're going to see a rejection. And to be honest, looking at the data, we had a huge bearish divergence here where the RSI was printing higher highs. As we see, the price structure was printing lower lows. So that's a bearish divergence. And it looks like we could have something quite bearish forming over here too, because we're overbought on the RSI. So it's a no-go from me. What else can you do if you want to potentially make some money? Well, you can subscribe, enter my Twitter giveaway, but you can also check out pre-sale number 1, Calvaria, Play to Earn Battle card game down below. can also check out IMPT, eco-friendly coin. You can check that one out down below as well. I'm linking you there. You can also check out Dash to trade pre-sale. Perfect place if you want to expose yourself to high value opportunities, which provides crypto trading signals, predictions, social analytics, and much more. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. You lovely people, you. Thanks so much for checking in. Stay tuned, like, comment, and let me know what you'd like to see on this channel next. Oh, by the way, stay crypto safe too. You're going to see a lot of these weird comments with WhatsApp numbers. They're not me. Bye.